So this is my Peugeot 206 from 2003. I've owned it for 8 years now, and I've done quite a lot of stuff with it. Built this car roughly 8 years ago as a backroads weapon. Frontal lobe developed, and I decided that now it should be a daily with all of its French car issues. One of the main problems this thing has is a bunch of electrical issues. It eats through batteries for some random reason. It has some dispersion somewhere. And the AC always went flat, and I got tired of it. Spent 5 years without AC. And now that I've decided to make it into a full daily car, I decided I'm gonna fix it up. If it does leak again, it has the UV tracer in it that I put off camera. So we'll be able to diagnose really quick where the leak is and call it a day.